Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to explain how you can flash MoonLight on an ESP32 microcontroller, which I have set up here with an LED panel. It's currently running MoonLight, but we're going to erase everything and start all over again. So we do that by going to the MoonLight website. This is the home page, and when you scroll down you have Get Started, you have Install MoonLight. And there we're going to follow the instructions step by step. So step 1 and step 2 we already did. There is an ESP32, there is a LED panel, and it is connected via USB. So the next step is we go to the web installer and install it. So on the web installer you can find different boards. In this case we have this board, so we connect to it. This is the USB port it is connected to. And we install it and we erase the device, so we start from scratch. So you can see the animation will stop running because we delete everything. So this takes about 1 minute, and I will fast forward this video so you don't have to wait that long. Complete, and we can see in the log after we reset the device that the device is starting. So we're gonna close this and we're gonna go back to the instructions. So we see we follow the steps here, install it, and we check the console that it is running. So now we go to the next part, and that is connect to MoonLight. And the device is running a Wi-Fi station. So we're going to connect to that, and that will open a portal to log in, but alternatively I will now show it on a browser. If you enter 4.3.2.1 it will show up here. I like the dark settings. So then we go to Wi-Fi. We're going to give the device a name, for instance YouTube U35 for instance, and we're gonna let it connect to our local Wi-Fi, which is entered like this. Add network, apply settings, and we will see in a minute that it will be active. Yes, so it has IP address 105. So now we can go back to our own network. So connecting back to my local Wi-Fi network, and we can connect to it by entering the name we gave it. Okay, there's one thing, it needs to be restarted because we use here this address. Okay, so here it is. Go to dark mode. Okay, going back to the tutorial. You can see we connected to it. We connected to it via this URL. We set up the Wi-Fi connection. It was successful. And we set up a host name. Okay, so now we're going to set up MoonLight. And okay, so we're going to add an effect. We will do it here, and I will choose Lisa Zoom. Then we're going to add a layout, which is per default the panel. We will check it is on pin 16, that is the right pin. And we will add a driver, in this case this one, and you can see the output is sent to the LED display. Okay, the final thing we do is we save, and by saving it, it means if we restart the device it will still show the settings we entered. Okay, let's go back to the tutorial and see what we did. So we add an effect, we add a layout and set the pins, and we add a driver, and we press save. So this ends this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.